What's happening? This is Johnny Snow, and we getting ready to do a little something to the grips on this MP5. All right, so it is time to put some handle it grips on this Hk MP5. This is the 22LR model, but this works the same no matter what the caliper is. All right, so first off, let's open up this pack, handle it grips. You know what I'm saying? Handling grips. And in it, we have several different pieces. Let's get all of this out. We have several different pieces inside of the pack. All right, we have alcohol swabs, very important. Then we have the main body of the grip, and we have the back strap. All right, so what we're going to do is first take the main body and put it around the grip to make sure you have the right fit. You want to look all down in there to make sure everything is fitting right. You want to look down the back strap. Let's see. Look down the back strap. Make sure you have the right one, and this does appear to be the right one. So once you've made sure that you are using the right grip, you want to open up your alcohol swab and take it and wipe the grip down real good. Make sure you wipe it down very good. Let's see. All the way around it. Wipe it down good. Then you want to go and wipe your fingers down. Wipe your fingers all the way down. Make sure you get any dirt off of your fingers. All right, now that you've cleaned off the grip of your weapon, you want to take the backing off of the grip. So let's go ahead and get this backing off, and it peels right off. So once you peel it off, keep your hands off of the sticky side. Keep your hands off of the sticky side and go ahead and start placing the grip. And you want to get your lines right. You want to look down at the bottom, and you want to flip it over and look over on this other side as well. Make sure that you have everything lined up correctly on there. All right, so there you go. You have that on there correct. This is on there correct. And you have the side on there correct. All right. So that went on fairly easy. But now that you have that on there, you're going to have to get a blow dryer and go ahead and lock it into place. All right, once you get it hot, you'll see that the grip has become a lot more pliable. Okay. I got that where I want it. You have to look at this all the way around to make sure that you're getting it exactly how you want it on there. Then get your lining all the way around. Let's hit it with some more heat. Now let's go back over to this side. This side looks good. All right, so now we have the main body of the grip on there. And now that we have the main body on there, we're going to, let's see, one side is curved, one side is straight. You put the straight side down, the curved side goes up to match this curve right here. It matches this curve. So let's go ahead and peel this off. All right. And all right, now that I have it on there, let's go ahead and hit it with the dryer. All right, press that where you can see it blending in with the main piece. Okay. You can actually feel it sliding a little bit as you're doing it. All right, then you come over to this side and we put the heat over here now. Okay, once you've done that, you just press down. And as it cools, you'll feel the rubberized feel start to stiffen up. And smooth this on out of the way. And that's all there is to it. That's all it takes to do these grips. So we are complete. And it feels a whole lot better. Because at first this grip was kind of slick. It was very slick actually. But now the handle it grips, they actually it's almost like it wasn't even a sticker. It just feels like it's part of the gun. It's really locked in there and it really feels good on here. So that is the step-by-step installation of the handle it grips It's very easy. As long as you have a hair dryer, you'll be able to do it. This is a very affordable, very easy way to upgrade your weapons, especially the weapons where you do not have removable grips. This just feels natural. It feels better than the bulgy rubber thing that you try to slide over the grip. Definitely check it out. Handle It grips. This is for the MP5. They go on there great. Go on there perfect fit. Now go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take this weapon on. Like I said, hit that like and subscribe. Johnny Snow up out of here.